Imagine owning a property without the hassle of maintaining it. An investment that grows as property appreciates, but also yields a steady stream of monthly revenues. Hotel 101's Happy Room is a secure property investment. Backed by a condominium title, you're free to mortgage it, resell it, or leave it with your kids to inherit. So how is it different from any other property investment? With Hotel 101, just buy a unit and we'll take care of it. Hotel 101 will fit it out, operate it as a hotel, take care of unit repairs and maintenance. So how do you earn from Hotel 101? 30% of gross room revenues are distributed to all unit owners equally. Regardless if your actual unit was used, Hotel 101 shoulders all hotel operating expenses, while your monthly share of revenue is deposited straight into your bank account by the 16th day of the following month. It's that easy. And the best part? You get to enjoy it too, with free nights in any Hotel 101 worldwide. Hotel 101. Investing made simple.